Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 12th. Line number 65, I'm going to start. A solemn air and the best comforter to an unsettled fancy. Cure thy brains, now useless, boiled within thy skull. Prospero says, my solemn music, my serious music, solemn music, which is the remedy for healing a troubled mind. Which is the remedy? It cures and heals a troubled mind. Cure for brains that are now incapable of action. Now incapable of action and are filled with anger within your head. There stand for you or spell stopped. There, stand there, because you are affected by my magic. You are affected. You all are affected by my magic. Holy Gonzalo, honorable man, mine eyes, even sociable to the show of thine, fall fellowly drops. Good Gonzalo, honorable man, my eyes, out of human feelings, shed tears of sympathy. Shed tears for sympathy. The charm dissolves apace, and as the morning steals upon the night, melting the darkness, so the rising senses begin to chase the ignorant fumes that mantle their clearer reason. The magic is losing its power, and as morning replaces night, removing the darkness, so their awakened sensibility begins to remove the ignorance which crowds their reasons. O good Gonzalo, my true preserver and a loyal sir, to him you followest. O good Gonzalo, you were the true preserver of my life. You preserved my life, so you are true preserver of my life. You are loyal to your leader. I will ensure that you are repaid for your kindness. You are repaid for your kindness, both in words and deeds. I will pay thy graces home, both in word and deed. Most cruelly didst thou, Alonso, use me and my daughter. Alonso, you treated my daughter and myself with utmost cruelty. Your brother Sebastian, thy brother was a furtherer in the act. Thou art pinched for now, Sebastian. Your brother Sebastian was a collaborator in your act. You are pinched for it now as punishment. Flesh and blood, you, brother mine, that entertained ambition, expelled remorse and nature. My flesh and blood, you brother of mine, entertained ambition and drove out the natural feeling of affection, who with Sebastian, whose pick of conscience is most strong, would have killed your king. I forgive you, though you treated me against the basic dictates of nature. Now start from here, line number 90. As you have already studied it. I will discuss me and myself present as I was sometimes Milan. Line number 90. I will remove this robe and present myself as my former self, Duke of Milan. Quickly, spirit, thou shalt ere long be free. Hurry up, spirit, for you shall be free before long. Re-enter Ariel, who sings while helping to attire. Re-enter Ariel, who sings while helping to attire Prospero. Prospero says here, where the bee sucks, there sucks I. In a cowslip's bell I lie, there I couch when owls do cry. On the bat's back I do fly, after summer merrily. Merrily, merrily shall I live now, under the blossom that hangs on the boughs. Where bees suck honey, there I suck too, in the cowslip flower, a low growing plant, cowslip flower. I make my bed, there I hide when the owls hoot. On the back of a bat I fly. Merrily in pursuit, in hobby of summer, I shall live merrily now, under the shade of flowers that hang on the branch. I will Duke of Milan. Prospero says, why, that's my dainty Ariel, I shall miss thee, but yet thou shalt have freedom, so. Prospero says, why, that is my dainty honor, Ariel. I will miss you, but you will have your freedom. That is right. Thank you. To the king's ship, invisible as thou art, there shalt thou find the mariners asleep under the hatches. That is right. Thank you. Now go to the king's ship, invisible as you are. There you will find sailors sleeping below the deck. When the master and the boatswain of the ship wake up, make them come here. Do this now, I request you. Being awake, enforce them to this place, and presently I pray thee. Ariel says, I drink the air before me, and return or your pulse twice beat. Ariel says, I will fly quickly and return before your pulse beats twice. So quickly. Exit. He goes. Gonzalo says, all torment, trouble, wonder, and amazement inhabits here. Some heavenly power guide us out of this fearful country. Gonzalo is fully amazed. He says, every pain, trouble, surprise, and amazement exist here. May some heavenly power guide us out of this dreadful place. Prospero says, behold, Sir King, the wrong Duke of Milan, Prospero, for more assurance that a living prince does now speak to thee, I embrace thy body, and to thee and thy company I bid a hearty welcome. Prospero says, behold, O King Prospero, the wronged Duke of Milan assures you that a living person is speaking to you. A living person, I am a living person. A living person is speaking to you. I embrace you with my arms, and I offer to you and your companions a cordial welcome. Alonso says, whether thou best he or no, or some enchanted trifle to abuse me, late I have been, I not know. Alonso is entirely confused. He says, whether you are really Prospero or some enchanted spirit sent to deceive me, as it has happened of late, I do not know. Thy pulse beats as of flesh and blood, and since I saw thee, the affliction of my mind amends, with which I fear a madness held me. Your pulse beats like that of a human being. After seeing you, the illness in my brain which I fear was some kind of madness, has improved, and all this requires a strange story to explain. And all this requires a strange story to explain. I fear a madness held me, this must crave, and if this be at all a most strange story. The dukedom I resign and do entreat thou pardon me my wrongs. But how should Prospero be living and be here? I hereby resign from your dukedom of Milan. I give you. I hereby resign from your dukedom of Milan. I also beg of you to pardon me all my misdeeds. But I would like to know how Prospero is living in this place. Prospero says, First, noble friend, let me embrace thine age, whose honor cannot be measured or confined. First, my noble friend, let me embrace your aged self, whose honor cannot be measured or limited. Gonzalo says, Whether this be or be not, I will not answer. I cannot be sure whether all this is real or a dream. Prospero says, You do yet taste some subtleties over the isle that will not let you believe things certain. Welcome, my friends, all. Prospero says, You are still under some delusion, some deception, some false belief in this island which does not permit you to believe in the reality that is now in front of you. I welcome you all, my friends. Aside to Sebastian and Antonio, but you, he says to Antonio and Sebastian, but you, my brace of lords, were I so minded, I here could pluck his highness frown upon you. To Sebastian and Antonio he says, But as for you, two lords, if I wish, I could call upon King Alonso to look upon you with anger and prove that you are traitors. Now, and justify you traitors at this time, I will tell no tales. Now, however, I will refrain from doing that. I am not going to complain against you to Alonso. Sebastian says, aside, the devil is speaking him. Sebastian says, aside, the devil speak through this man. He is doubtful whether he was Prospero or not. Prospero says, No. For you, most wicked sir, whom to call brother would even infect my mouth, I do forgive thy rankest fault, all of them, and require my dukedom of thee, which perforce I know thou must restore. No, as for you, most wicked sir, sir, whom to call you my brother, would mean swelling my mouth. He says to Antonio, I do not want to say him my brother, but I do forgive even your worst crimes. I demand my dukedom from you, which I know that you have no choice but to restore it to me. Alonso says, If thou beest Prospero, give us particulars of thy preservation. If you are truly Prospero, tell us how you were saved, how you met us here when it was only 3 hours ago. We were shipwrecked and drifted onto the shore. Were how thou hast me us here, who 3 hours since were wrecked upon the shore, where I have lost how sharp the point of this remembrance is, my dear son Ferdinand. If you are truly Prospero, tell us how you were saved, how you met us here when it was only 3 hours ago. we were shipwrecked and drifted onto the shore. I lost my dear son Ferdinand on the sea. My pain is acute indeed while remembering that, my dear son Ferdinand. Oh, my dear son Ferdinand. And what happens after that, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, student.